it's been a while since I've been in an Exorcist, but this one's a little bit special, and it's a 10-speed 1LE. Kind of a cool combo. Comes with a warranty, expert installation. This thing is like a Banshee. I'm sitting in the 600LT. This is John's car. It is lightly modified. This car was pretty much neck and neck with the 720S the whole way down our track. 3.8 liter twin turbo V8 versus 6.2 liter supercharged V8. Obviously a way higher price point on a McLaren than a Camaro. Even with the modification, you're still in less than you are on a stock 600LT. Just put a whooping on that thing. Dude, that thing runs hard. I'm telling you, that thing runs good. A little bit sooner, and Exorcist jumps right out front. That PD blower torque is instant. As soon as you hit the gas, car goes. Me, I gotta wait for these little turbos to build up boost, and I'm not far behind, but I'm not in front. This Exorcist runs great. It's ready to be delivered to the customer. I know for a fact he's gonna be thrilled because this thing is ridiculously fast. How cool is it to be in an American-made muscle car that's in a completely different category? All in, it costs about half as much as that McLaren, and you just put a big whooping on it.